Blessed morning to all of you. This is I will make a tutorial creating a simple sketch like this into a building, or I will create a massing, okay, and then create this mass in part by part, like creating a floor, walls, and roof. Okay, so this is my simple sketch, but first you will identify the base or the levels you should create it. You should create a levels like this. For example, you have projected your level up to level 3, and also you already projected the width and the height, the width and the length of the building. Okay, if you have a scanned plans or a scanned sketch that is already scaled, okay, so at least you have a guidelines. Okay, so I have this kind of sketch, okay, that I've created. So I want this sketch to be a building or curved building. Okay, so to begin, you will create a mass in the massing and site, and then in place mass. Okay, just click OK, or if you want to rename it. Okay, I just type it mass number 1. So you have this kind of sketch. So I will start creating a reference line. So in reference line, I click reference line here, and then I click this line tool in order to have a continuous curve. Okay, don't ever cut it, because it will affect your mass later on. So I'm using this one since this is a curve plans. So curve sketch. If I click here 1 point, and then 2 point, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then press escape. So you will see that there is a reference line. So you already created this reference line. This is where your model line or model shape will run. So as you can see, this line from here to here, these guidelines, you see this is the plane. So I need to align at least from this sketch. Okay, so I need to drag the line here. So make sure that this is already aligned proportion. Okay, so you have this one. So this one is the reference plane later on. So if you go to 3D view, this is your shape, okay, or your line. Okay, this is your reference line. Now we are ready now to create a model. So I click here in the model, same as on the top view or in the floor plan view. Click line here to the end of the reference line that you created, and make sure that this is aligned from this one. So it's aligned here. So when you are going to 3D view, it's just look like this one. So next thing to do is to change, of course, your plane. Before, your plane is on the floor plan or in the floor plan view. If I click show here, that is your reference plane. That is where you will draw, okay, on that face. But since our face is from here, we will create it, because we cannot create like same reference plane like this, because if you create now a model line from here, definitely it will not work. So I will click this one, click the point or the vertices, this one, and set this one as your reference plane. So now you are ready now to create an arc from this one instead of on the floor plan. So from the arc, I will create an arc from here, click here, from here to here, and then maybe this is like that. That's height. So you have this kind of height. So now make sure that this is all selected when you click this one, or even you put your mouse or drag your mouse there. You will see that all the lines are highlighted, meaning to say they are connected. They are all connected. If I click Control in your mouse, in your keyboard, if you click the Control key and then Control also this reference line, it's just like a follow me in SketchUp. So if I click this one, so you already created a mask like this. So how about I want to control the height of this area and the height of this area, because this is very plain, like same level from this one to here. As you can see, it's just the same level. So I need to at least control this one is higher, this one is lower, this is higher. So I need to add a profile. If I click this one, I click the face, I add profile on it. One profile here, for example here, one profile here, and I want to add more profile. One profile again here, and another profile from here. So you have this kind of profile, three profile, but it's not visible. In order for you to see, just click this one and see the extreme mode. Okay, so you already see the profile. Now if you click this one, you should lock the profile first. Lock the profile because we will click the edge here. Okay, because I want this part will be curtain wall system, this part will be floor or roof, plain roof, and this one is part will be a curtain wall system. So I will add an edge for that. One edge, one. Okay, and another one. If I click this one and add an edge again, escape. Okay, okay. So you have this kind of edges. Now if we click this one and unlock the profile, you will see again the profile. So even you add another profile here, the edges is still here. Okay, so now I will create another profile because since it's deleted, add profile 1, add profile 2. Okay, now you have this kind of profile. Now this profile, you can control the segment, you can control the vertices, but now as of now this is level this one, and then this one I want to make this one higher. For example, I click the segment and only push it up. Okay, and then this one maybe push it down. Okay, this one maybe push it up. Okay, this one maybe push it down. So you have this kind of shape instead of regular shape, right? Make this one push it down. So I think this is fine, and I can make a simple kind of arc building that's made from sketch. So I think this is fine, and then I will go out of this massing. I'll check it out. So now you are in the regular mode or project mode base that you can create this one as a floor. But here, since this is a mask, like it cannot be identified as a floor, but it can be identified as a wall. So wall by face, click, or even you click this wall architectural, and then you will see this one, pick by face, and then it will automatically show that this is already a wall. You can change the color. You already know my previous video that you can change the category, the boundaries, the materials, okay? So it is parametric and it can be changed, the structure itself. So from this one, I want this part will be a curtain wall system. This one and this one. So if I click this one, I go to curtain system, click curtain system and click one and click the another one, two, and create a system. So that will become a curtain wall system. Okay, so that will become a curtain wall system. You can add mullion on that if you want to. If I click this one and add a mullion, or all grids, okay, you can add mullions on it. So you have this kind of curtain wall system. Okay, so that's it. So you can change also the panel if you want to. Just go and put your mouse on that place and then click the tab tool, and then you can edit the type, right? Edit a type, duplicate, okay, and you can make this one as a, instead of glass, you can change the materials into other materials or create new materials. You know already this one because it's just the same methodology that I've been teaching. Okay, so apply. Okay, so it will become blue. In realistic, it will become blue, right? So that's it. So you can tab tool here, tab tool, and then match properties. Or make this one tab, control tab. Okay, so it will become a different kind of panel. So that's it. That's simple as that. So if you want to add a floor from here, just click this one and add floor mass. Okay, what floor that you want to add. Okay, and it will be created as a floor. You can see here, a floor mass, but this is only a mass. Okay, this is a mass. It is not yet a. If I am going here in view box, where is the view box? Anyway, this is the floor. Okay, the floor inside. If you see the control, you should have control. This is 2 floors now. Okay, so that's one. You will create this one as a floor by face. Create floor by face. Create a floor. Click, create a floor. So that's now a flooring. Now if I'm going to have a section, hide this one so you will not be confused. You have this section, I will section this one part. This is your floor, right? That's your floor. Even in your ground floor, second floor level, that is your floor now. Okay, so even this one from here, So that is your floor. Now, if you want to hide this kind of massing, you just go in massing and then hide it. So all you need to see now is your floor. Okay, even in the first floor level, you can delete this one now. Okay, first floor level, it's just like that. Second floor level is just like that. Okay, this is your floor. That is your part of the wall. This is your floor again. Okay, and that is the part of the roof. That is the part of curtain wall system. So that's it.